Hey my cookies, today I'm going to show you how I make homestyle hamburger steak and onion gravy. This is an old stick to your ribs type of meal, child, and it's so easy to make. So let's cook. First we're going to need some ground beef. Of course, I'm using 80/20. I think that's the best for this recipe. To that I'm going to add an egg, some Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, a little black pepper, and I'm going to use some breadcrumbs. I'm using the garlic and herb breadcrumbs. And finally, some milk. Shut up, don't say ew. You need a little milk, okay? Now mix it together really well. And then just form your hamburger patties. Do I really have to show y'all how to roll out some patties? Come on now, y'all can do that. Now I'm spraying my skillet with some non-stick cooking spray, and I'm going to fry each one of our patties on a medium-high heat setting for 3 minutes per side. So when one side finishes, flip it over and cook the other side for 3 minutes. When that's done, go ahead and scoop them out and put it aside. In that same pan, we want to add in our onions, some sliced onion, and we're going to make our gravy. So saute those around until they start to brown. Then we want to add in some butter and allow that to melt. Now sprinkle in some flour and stir it until the flour dissolves about 1 minute. When the flour is no longer visible, we can pour in our beef broth and give it all a stir, bring it up to a simmer. And at this point, you want to taste it and adjust the seasoning to your taste. So add more salt, add pepper, whatever you need at this point. Now add your patties back in, and we're going to allow this to simmer on low, uncovered, for about 25 to 30 minutes or until those patties are cooked all the way through. Then you can just serve it over some warm rice with a side of cornbread and enjoy this delicious and super easy hamburger steak and onion gravy. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up. I'm about to eat, so until next time, be blessed.